So, tell me about a recent achievement you're proud of. Could you give me an answer that would make me want to hire you straight away?
English lessons.
How do you make yourself sound impressive but not arrogant with these kinds of interview questions? Have a look at my example. Trevor Noah asked me to help him prepare for his next Netflix comedy special because he was worried that new audiences wouldn't like his stand-up material anymore. The task was to write jokes which would make millions of viewers laugh and be shared in videos and memes all over social media. I worked with Trevor to develop his new material, and I coached him during rehearsals to help him get over his stage fright. As a result of my work, the show was a huge success, and it actually became the most viewed comedy special in Netflix history. Okay, so that's not a real example, but I can dream, right? The important thing to notice is the structure of my answer. I used a structure called the STAR technique, which stands for situation, task, action, result. So the situation was, Trevor Noah asked me to help him prepare for his next Netflix comedy special. The task was to write new material that would make millions of viewers laugh. So what did I do next? What was my action? I helped Trevor to develop his new material and coached him to get over his stage fright. And don't forget about the result. As a result of my actions, we created the most successful comedy special in the history of comedy specials. People are often afraid of seeming overconfident in job interviews. But remember, you've got the interview because you are good enough to get the job. And this is your opportunity to show your interviewers why. Use the STAR structure to give specific examples, and you can be sure that you will impress your interviewers. And don't forget to include the result. This is where you really get to talk about the impact of your work. Here's my answer again without that structure. Trevor Noah asked me to help him write some material for his comedy special, and I did it, and the show went well. The information is basically the same, but it's missing the details about what I did. And I didn't use a clear structure to show the impact of my actions. We've all got something that we're proud of. So to make sure that you're really ready for your next job interview, think of an achievement that you'd like to talk about and prepare your answer using the STAR structure. When your answer's ready, write it in the comments below. We read and reply to every comment we receive, so we'll give you a little bit of feedback on your answer. Good luck for the interview!